Hello viewers, in this video I'll be going over natural gas, ETF ticker symbol UNG. Today we are up around 34 basis points on the 1 hour chart. We are seeing a positive mood on the MACD. I believe we may turn positive and we may be heading sideways on the 4 hour chart. We are beginning to see a converging on the MACD, and on the daily chart I see the 9-day is about to converge with the 18-day, so that's a positive sign for the bulls, but I do believe we may head lower because the support is not quite there, so we may test this support again. I'll mark that as support, and for resistance will be past support that act as now resistance. So the resistance is about the range of 23-28, and if we were to move on higher and reverse the downtrend, that movement will be about 5.7% move up. But if we were to reverse and head lower, that price movement will be around 2.3% down. On to the next module, I'll compare today's current trend with this trend. This dated back in May 24th, 2011 to August 18th, 2011. I'll point out why these two charts are similar. So what we have in the beginning of the trend, we have candles touching the upper Bollinger Band, and after touching the upper Bollinger Band, it proceeds to go down in a downtrend, as we see here, and touching the bottom Bollinger Band right here, and this will be red. And then we see an instance of a small blip up, but not quite. It reverses and we continue on the downtrend, and this I will make as touching the bottom Bollinger Band. And then we see here an attempt to reach over the middle Bollinger Band, not quite, and it got rejected, and we proceed to go down further. So on to the chart back in 2011. In the beginning of the trend, we see the candles touching the upper Bollinger Band. If you're not familiar with Bollinger Band, it's a tool used to measure price level and volatility. So after touching upper Bollinger Band, we proceed to go down and touch the bottom Bollinger Band like so. And after that, we see in this attempt, we see the candlesticks touching the upper Bollinger Band, and then it quickly reverse, and we continue on to the downtrend. So that's only the slight difference between the two charts. And for the end part, we see an attempt to touch the middle Bollinger Band, but it too got rejected as well. So what we have here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 points that are similar. And there's reason to believe if the trends and patterns are similar, the outcome or forecast would also be similar. So let's head to the forecast model. I'll go day by day where natural gas or ETF ticker symbol UNG will head to. So on day 1, 2 days out, 3 days out, 4 days out, 5 days out, 6 days out, and 7 days out. Natural gas back in May 24th, 2011 to August 18th, 2011, natural gas went down about approximately 2.4%, fairly close to where we marked the support on the technical analysis chart. And that is all. If you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.